this season. And Sophia Dunkley is now up and running with a boundary. Hayley Silverholmes giving chase out in the deep, can't get there. Oh, that is really quick work behind the stumps. Wide signalled, but you can still be stumped, of course. Oh. And there's a decision from the third umpire, not out, so Dunkley survives. But excellent work by Lizelle Lee. Dunkley has a big swing, finds the gap, and Hayley Silverholmes is quick across the ground but can't get there.
It was a hoik across the line, wasn't it? Was it in control of that shot, Dunkley?
Catch it, Elise.
Looking to go over the top. That's nicely done.
Nice.
It's worked very, very nicely. Down the track she goes. Again, not really timing it, more under the ball than anything else. Goes wide. Perry. What a talented player she is. There'll be more runs for Perry. Using a lot of muscle in that shot and a lot of bottom hand. Perry, in the end, loses her stumps.
Aerial from Healy, not got a hold of it. Nick Carey takes the catch down low, good grab. Up and over, extra cover. Gardner. Again bisects the two fielders, and that brings up the 50 for Sophia Dunkley. Comes in 43 deliveries, and she gets a fist pump from her captain. Dunkley has got more height than distance, and straight down the throat of Rachel Treneman. She brings up her 50 and then immediately has to depart and looks very disappointed. And the Hurricanes are dragging this back in their favour.
Nice. Get down, Elise. Oh, lucky.
The dive too late, and it's going to be 4 to Gardner.
In the last couple of years. Thick edge. And it'll fly away down to the boundary. Strano was short into the surface yet again. Leg side. Oh, and it's been put down in the end by Graham. Just singing her praises. She's certainly one of the best. This wasn't an easy chance. There is protection, leg side, and straight away the Sixers lose a wicket. That is muscled as well. This is good from Brown.
WBBL title.
Brown has shown such great promise in this innings already. Knew she needed to do something different. And that's also smart. Made room for herself, but a little too much. Forfer. Heather Graham gets her first in the WBBL. She has had an outstanding season. One of the reasons why they are top of the log.
Oh, no.
Excellent from Graham. He's on for a possible fifer here. Getting the second run, and they could find themselves short of that second run. Lizelle Lee is already celebrating. That first game. That'll be another one. They will find themselves 8 down now, the Sixers. It'll be 9 down now. Last ball. They'll come through for a run. The underarm from Lizelle Lee is not effective on this occasion. And she may just have a little laugh about this after what has been a good day for her with the gloves. Lee away straight away. Pushing the ball across her and giving her an opportunity with the width. Straightens it up, but gets the length wrong. That's another thing you can't do to Lizelle Lee, is get the length wrong. She loves anything short. Width on offer yet again. She'll keep going after it. Here's a player in form. Power from Lizelle Lee. She is very strong, even though she didn't quite get hold of this from a timing perspective, but strong enough to muscle this away. Moving around beautifully in her crease to access that offside. That is also one of her favorite shots. That is magnificent batting. If you enjoyed the first one, you'll definitely enjoy the second. What an over for the Hurricanes. Talk about width to Lee. Well, Danny White-Hodge is exactly the same. That is a real strength of hers. Got quick hands too, does White-Hodge. That's not the right line, and not the right length from Gardner. There wasn't much going for that delivery. Confident appeal from behind the stumps, and eventually the finger goes up after somewhat of a delay. Lizelle Lee is not happy with the decision. I'm not sure if she feels maybe there's an issue with height. Maitland Brown gets the wicket of Silverbrand, who is yet to find her batting form in this tournament. The Sixers are back in it. Carey will get herself away straight away.
Advances down the pitch, does Danny White-Hodge, and she's gone.
Catch it.
Rise of catch it, taken.
Catch it.
Makes room to the leg side, and their power surge starts exactly. She played in that time because of the injuries. It's a full toss down the leg side. Line wrong from Cheetle.
Catch it.
Villani finds herself with an extra opportunity for runs after a drop chance. Maddie Villiers is such a good fielder. Drops it short, and she was onto that so quickly. She wants to take advantage of this power surge. That is big runs for the Hurricanes in 2 balls. They've got 10. Thick edge. A little bit of work here to do, but unfortunately, it just has to be an appeal. It sounded pretty good off the bat of Treneman. Reaches for it. Didn't really have control. Starts off down the leg side, and that's easy for Villani.
But this is Ash Gardner, and that is what she does, and she sends Hayley Silverholmes on her way and picks up her 2nd wicket. And it's not over yet. 2 in 2 for Ash Gardner. Molly Strano comes and Molly Strano goes.
It's almost an action replay of what we saw in the previous delivery.
Gardner. There's a big appeal. Well, it was high, it was probably going down as well, but it's a dot ball.
Catch it.
Extra flight, cries of catch it, taken.
Catch that.
Aerial cries of catch it, just past the fielder. Chipped up in the air, taken! The Sixers have taken down the Hurricanes. It is the Hobart Hurricanes' first loss of the season. This game has ebbed and flowed, and it is the team in pink